This video is to demonstrate the issues I'm having with the new Explorer 300 Plus that I just bought. I have the Explorer 300, the previous model, and it has worked very well with this Iceco cooler. It'll run it for over a day, close to a day and a half. Never fails to start the compressor in the cooler. Never had any issues with it whatsoever. I bought the brand new 300 Plus primarily to get the faster AC charging rate, but it does not work with this Jackery or with the Iceco cooler. So what I do is I'll go ahead and right now the compressor's been off for at least 15 or 20 minutes, and so I go ahead and put in the thing, and then it gives me an E1 and will not start the compressor. The fan comes on, and E1 is the air code for low battery voltage. It's to save the battery in case the battery goes below 9.6 volts is what it's set for. And so this Jackery 300 Plus, when the cooler attempts to start the compressor, the voltage drops below 9.6 volts, and the Iceco then aborts the compressor startup. We'll let it go one more time. It attempts to restart the compressor about once a minute, and what'll happen is it'll attempt to do it again, and the code over here will end up there. It went to E1 and did not start again, and the Jackery is showing that the load is 0 watts because the fan and the controls of the Iceco don't pull very much. So what I'm going to do is pull this out, and we've got the 300, my original 300, and what I'll do is I'll plug it in, and it'll start the cooler right up. Okay, so plug it in, and the compressor has just started. No E1, it's running just fine. The Jackery reports 58, 51 watts right now, but it works perfectly, no issues. But the new 300 Plus will not start the compressor on this Iceco cooler. I've got a couple other battery stations as well, including a very cheap Azius 250 watt, 178 kilowatt or a watt hour capacity, and it also starts it just fine. So it's a problem specifically with the design of the 300 Plus. Even though it has the same 12 volt specs for 10 amps, it won't start up the Iceco cooler like every other unit that I have.